What is up, guys? Falcon back again. Today I'm gonna open up this Ninetales Blister pack and hopefully we get something good out of it. Alright, so here we go. Time to open it up. Blister pack comes with 3 booster packs from Black and White. 1 Plasma Storm, 1 Plasma Freeze, and I believe the other one is like Next Destinies or something. And of course you have your Ninetales promo card from Black and White. And your Pikachu coin also. Here it goes. Here is the Pikachu coin. Nice coin right there. And here we have our holo Black and White 66 promo card. Ninetales. And we have our booster packs. Plasma Storm, Next Destinies, and Plasma Freeze. So let's start off with, let's do it like this. Next Destinies first. Guys, don't forget, at 300 subs, I'm going to be giving away a code for Pokemon Blue for your Nintendo 3DS. So don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And here we go. Oops. So we have a Pikachu there, we got a reverse holo experience share, and we have our rare card non-holo. Nothing too exciting on that pack, so let's try it off our Plasma Freeze. Code card for you guys. 3 and... Alright, here we go. We have a Vaporeon, a Lampent, and Nidorino, Sandile, Nidorina, I'm guessing, Rattata, Dino. We got our reverse holo, and ooh, here we go. Oh, Deoxys EX, wow. Very nice card, full art. Love the texture on that thing. Wow. That makes this blister pack worth it. And let's open up this Plasma Storm. See what we get out of this. And code card for you guys once again. 3. We got a Bicycle, Riolu, Chimchar, and then we have a Magnemite, Amphi, and we have a reverse holo, rare card. And for our last card, rare card, here we go. Alright, we're not too bad of a pulls today. Our 2 main cards. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.